Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will talk about a Python package. Uh, it is descriptive stats. That means descriptive statistics. What this package used for? This package can generate richer, more descriptive statistics in Pandas DataFrame. I designed or developed this small package and also wrote this article. I will put this article link below. You can read this article, which will help you to understand and maybe see further details about this small package. First, let's let's just open a Jupyter notebook and show you in detail. Let's go to the workspace. This is my current working directory. I open Jupyter notebook. Yeah, here. Jupyter notebook. Okay, we create a Jupyter notebook. You can give it any name. Okay, here maybe for example we are just use descriptive stats. Yeah, this package name, then example. Yeah, anything you want. Yeah. Okay. First, let's see the pandas data frame. The descriptive function. Let's just copy this link. This is a GitHub linkage. There's a data. We read the data from this link, the GitHub repository. Now, of course, first, let's import pandas. Import pandas as PD. We read, let's read this data and also show the first 5 rows. I just copy it. No, it's easy. Okay, we PD read the CSV because this data is a CSV. Yeah, you can import any data, but this is my example for you. If you have no data, you can read this paper and see the this data linkage and practice this example. Yeah, we're already familiar of this, right? Here, index column false because in the data there's a column, so we needed to add another column. Okay, index column. We read. You see, this is the data. In fact, here we don't care about what's this data. We just explain this package. So in pandas, we can use df describe. Yeah, I think all of you guys already know this very well, so I just do it quickly. So we got count, mean, standard deviation, mean. right? 25%, 50, and so on and so forth. It's only few. But I design or develop this small package, and we can add more. Okay, let's come back to see the package. This package, we can add MAD. That means the meaning absolutely deviation. I make it larger. Variance, yes, variance. SEM, standard error of the meaning. Also sum, skewness, kurtosis, right? All these. It's very easy. We can use describe. Here I use the capitalized. Okay, then data. It's very easy. But let's see how to install it first. Okay, the installation also very easy because it's already in the pip, the py, or py depository. We can just use pip install Descriptive stats, the package name. Okay, of course I already installed because I designed it this, and also I use it regularly. At first I just used personally myself, but later I published in the PyPy or PyPy depository. Also GitHub. If you read this paper, you can find all the information. Also, there's a very detailed guide how to use. You see this in this article. Okay, now let's install it like this. Pip install Descriptive stats. Okay, you can install it directly in Jupyter Notebook or in terminal. In your terminal or PowerShell or CMD. But for Windows 11, there's a pre-installed Windows terminal. It's very convenient. You can use it. Okay, you can just install. You can put the exclamation mark or without or percent magic function also works. Okay, you install it because I already installed, so I will not repeat this process. Okay, let's see. For example, now we just try to see all the descriptive statistics index or mallocs in this package. Just now I introduced, but no, we just run it to see what's the difference. Just now I already said in Pandas use this df dot describe, right? But here I use describe ds. Also, this ds, of course, first I forgot, we import the package. We import the package first. We import describe stats as a ds. This is why there's a ds. Okay, you can import it as dp or anything you want, but here is describe stats, so I use ds. Okay, then the capitalized is easy to remember. Pandas use the lowercase, but here I use uppercase. Let's run. We import the package first. You see, here's just something future warning is deprecated, will be removed in the future. Oh, because the pandas will remove the mat. I will update this package in the future when this bad methods is removed. Yes, I will update it. Okay, you can see more. Here's mat variance, SEM, right? Some skewness, kurtosis, yeah, this. But how about if you don't need some? For example, you want to keep the skewness or kurtosis or anything. Yeah, it's easy. No, we can use drop. Yeah, drop methods. Let's see this. For example, you don't want the MAD, M-A-D. We just delete. Yeah, because here stats drop. Maths. Here's why. Why? Because you see here we didn't give a name. It's better give a name, or you can put here. For example, put drops here. But it's better write in this way. We can run this stats, give a variable name. This. We name is stats. It's DS capitalized describe df. Okay, the data name, our data. Then stats drop mat. Then you see the mat already removed. You can remove more. For example, we remove mat variance SEM because if you just stats drop this mat, for example, when you type stats, you see there's no change. Why? Because here we didn't change this data frame. Okay, if you want to change, we add this in place is true. We will place our data frame. Okay, we use this. We drop more than in place. Here. Okay, this way. Then, if we type stats, you see, all these index have been removed, and also these data frame table have been changed. What's more, of course, another you can transport. This all pandas method. Yeah, I think it's unnecessary to explain details here. Okay, this is the tutorial today. Thank you. I hope you can read this article and all what I talked here is helpful to you. Thank you.